How to play music simultaneously on multiple phones.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
So, in order to play song simultaneously on multiple phones, you have to download the app that have the features. So, I would suggest to download Spotify. So, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Spotify application and install it first. Here I have already installed. So, you just have to create an account and open it. After that, you have to select any music that you want to play and tap on it. Then tap on this option, and here you have to add your mobile as a remote control. And after tapping on this, here you'll be able to share this link to the people you want or to the phones from which you want to play the music simultaneously. Then after, I would suggest to copy link and then send it to the person individually. So after that, when the person will click on that link, they will be added to this place, and when you will play the music in your phone and they would be able to listen it.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.